Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can fix a JavaScript error occurred in the main process. So before you begin with the troubleshoot, first you need to identify the app which is actually causing this error to trigger. Once you identify the app, then proceed ahead with the methods shown in this video. To get started, simply search for Task Manager and open it. From here, close any running processes of that particular app. Now search for Control Panel and open it. Go to Programs and Features. Select the app from here and uninstall it. Once done with the uninstallation, simply search for Run and open it. Now type %appdata% and click on OK. From here, search for any folder that is related to that particular app and delete it from here. Now search for Run again and open the Run dialog box. Type %localappdata% and click on OK. From here, do the same. Locate the folder of that particular app and delete it. Now open your browser and search for Microsoft Visual C++ download. From the search results, go to the official web page of Microsoft. Scroll down the page. Here you will get both 32 and 64-bit versions. So as per your system architecture, download the file. Once downloaded, right-click over the file and run it as administrator. Accept the license agreement and click on Install. Once the installation is done, simply click on Restart. After restart, search for Services and open it. From here, find Quality Windows Audio Video Experience service. Double click on it. Set the startup type to automatic. Start the service and save the change. Now close everything and restart your computer, and this should fix the issue. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.